right, so we're going to do chapter 8 now. We're going to reset up our little McLean's template, or whatever your name is, template. All right, so we're going to open that template. That's not the way to do it. We're going to look for it here. Okay, so there's my template. So we're going to open my template there. All right, now all I'm going to do is I'm going to go layer properties. I'm going to add a layer. Okay, so add a layer. We can call this the title block lettering, and we'll make that blue here. Okay, so there's that. Now we're going to go down here to layout. Okay, so I'm going to close this, and I'm going to go to layout. Now I'm going to right click on that, and I'm going to page setup manager. We're going to modify our layout. All right, so AutoCAD PDF, monochrome, okay, full bleed, 1:1, center plot's not necessary, okay, so we'll hit OK on that, and that's going to update our thing. All right, now I want to delete this. Now what we want to do is we want to make the border and title that they have in the book, okay, and that border and title will be on page 8-12. Okay, so we're going to put this on the title block layer. Okay, and we're going to make a rectangle. I'm going to start up in this corner, and I'm going to drag down. Bottom number is going to be 10.25. Then hit tab, 7.75. All right, so that we want to. I'm going to grab that, and I'm going to kind of move it. And it doesn't really matter where you pick. I just want to kind of, maybe look a little bit more centered. That's good. Now, grab it and explode it. Now I'm going to offset this button, this bottom line, 0.25 twice. And we'll zoom in. Okay. Now, we're going to offset this one to, it's actually 1.98, but 2 works just as well. There we go. And I'll just trim these 2 off. Okay. And we'll trim this one off here. All right, our next offset is also going to be 2. Offset, and it still should be set to 2, so we'll go 2 more. And that one's also going to trim off right here. All right, our next offset is going to be 1.10. So offset 1.1. And that one's going to go all the way up, so we'll extend it there. And then we're going to offset 1.4. And that'll be all our offsets. Okay. Now, we're going to put some text in this. Okay. So I'm going to change to my text layer, title block lettering. Okay. And I'm going to go here, multi-line text. And I'm just going to do that. Now that gets that. I want to set my justification to middle center. Okay. And 0.2. I'd rather go a little smaller than that, so let's say 0.125. There we go. And then I'll just type Lowndes High Drafting. And that goes in there, okay? That looks a little big, doesn't it? Let me try. Yeah, I see what it did. 125. There we go. That's the size I want. All right. And now in this box, you're going to put your name. So we'll text. Once again, we'll grab that. Now it's there. Okay. middle center justification again, and then you put your name here. All right, so that's got most of that done. Now we need a viewport, okay? So we're going to change to the viewport layer and come over here to where it says view. And we're going to come down to viewports, and then we're going to go down to one viewport. And I don't want it to be right up in the corner, just inside, okay? So right about there, come over, and don't let it snap to the corner, just boom. All right. Now, if you go back to your layer properties, you'll see I still have that set so it does not print, so we're good. All right, so that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and maximize that. Go back to model, and I'm going to save this. Make sure it says your name template DWT, save it. And then we'll close that template. And that's what we're gonna use for the remainder of chapter 8. See you in the next video.